Hello guys, welcome back again on this lesson. Now on the last lesson we discussed about CSS and colors in HTML. On this tutorial we are going to talk about links and also image and everything about links. We are going to talk about it. And I know on previous video we talked little bit about links, but here on this video we are going to dive in and talk about all about links and images. So let's dive in. Now let's just get this off. Let me just HTML. Let's just use this and HTML links and images. This will be our topic for today. Now, we have been working with links, right? Well, let's just get a deeper understanding. Now, when it comes to link, we have two parts. We have a local path and external path. Now, let me show you what we mean by this. Let's see. We have this here, right? No, this is sorry. This is an abbreviation. And the link, see here. And let's say we just say click here. And an external path is referencing to another website that is not on your web page. So that is an external. Let's say we want to link onto our website helpme.com. We save, and so this is an external linking, because you are going to go to another website that is not your own, another website. But let's just copy this and paste it down here. Give it one space. Now let's link to an internal, so you understand what is internal. Let's say now we only have one HTML page. Let's say we have another HTML page that is called about.html, right? We save, but we don't have any about on our directories here. Here we don't have any about. Now let's create an about page. So what we have to do, come here, let's just click on about, so we save. Let's say about.html. We save. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy all this, and we'll paste it here. About us, right? Let's just get rid of this. So this is our main page, right? This is our about page. So this is one link to an external. This is let's h1 external linking. External link, and copy, paste here. This is internal or local, either one. Let's say local or internal. You can either type local link, right? Because it's within the web page. And when it comes to local link, there are two ways we can link locally. But let's just see with this. Let's refresh. So you see, now if we click on this, let's see what happens. We already did. So we take us to another page. See, this is our Help Me website. The website is loading, and soon it took us to another brand new website that is not ours. And here, if you click here, it's going to take you to the about page. This is locally. So see, the about us. This is where it takes us, right? So that's the difference between local and external linking. The other thing that is important for us to learn about is target attribute. We talked about this earlier on one of our previous video, but I promise that we'll talk about it more. So I just want us to talk all about it in this video. So targets, we have in HTML we have about what 5 target attributes. The first one is the self. The self is the like is uh the how can I put it? Is the default. Yeah, the default. Right? And then we have the self. We have the self. Excuse me. We have the parent. We have blank and parent blank. Yeah, I think that's it. We have let's say we have also the top white. Yeah, yeah. Those are the ones we have, right? Now me show you how all of those one operate, right? So in order for us to understand, especially this parent and top or self, let's create um, another pages, you know, hold on. Okay. I mean, one thing I want us to do first before we move on to that, let me show you something about this href, right? You can link onto something that is even on the same page. Not this is another page, but just the same. It's locally, but say onto the same this HTML page. Yeah, right. Now let me do something so you understand. Let's say we have this. Uh, oh, we have this paragraph that says read me, read uh, chapter 1, blah blah blah, and then we just copy it multiple and like this, paste, 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 go, paste, 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 right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, right? Let's say we want to link onto this this 8th chapter, right? What we have to do, we have already talked about it. ID, see chapter 8, right? You save it. On the local link here, what you have to do, we just come onto here, we say pound CH8 and save, right? So let's just come here, refresh, or let's go to the home page again, refresh. Let's say here, and we are here. Okay, just to take you to first thing. In order for the video not so long, I have paused and add some new um, paragraph and heading, and I've placed this paragraph into a div, and I gave the div a background color of blue, right? Just to differentiate this, I've given it blue with the ID of the ID is CH8. I mean, we can also take this off here, and we can also put the ID even here on the tag itself, right? Then we save, right? Now if you come here, you refresh, you come on top, here you refresh. Now this is the local link. Let's click. You see, it jump onto the div, the new div, onto the chapter 9, and chapter 29. So that's another way you can link onto a page that is on the same page what's below. You can either do it vice versa. You can link to the top, to the bottom, to the middle, so on and so forth, right? So that's that. And on this video is getting too long, so what I'll do, I'll stop here for now. On the next video, we are going to continue with this target attribute. We're going to talk about them in depth. So I hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed.